Hey everyone, are you ready to boost your health with some incredible superfoods and supplements? I'm here to share my favorite picks that can help you feel your best and stay strong, especially as we head into colder months. Let's kick things off with superfoods that are amazing for boosting immunity. First up, turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Add it to your soups, teas, and even smoothies. Next, ginger. It's not just for your favorite gingerbread cookies. Ginger is fantastic for your digestive health and also helps fight off colds and flu. Try it fresh, as a tea, or even in your cooking. And don't forget about kale. This leafy green is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus it's loaded with fiber. Toss it in salads, saute it, or blend it into smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. Alright, moving on to supplements for overall health. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids that support heart health, brain function, and reduce inflammation. You can find them in fish oil, flaxseed oil, and even algae-based supplements if you're vegan. Magnesium is another superstar. It helps with muscle function, supports your nervous system, and even aids in better sleep. Look for it in supplement form or in foods like nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate. And last but not least, probiotics. These good-for-you bacteria are essential for gut health, which in turn supports your overall immunity. You can get your fix from fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or a good quality supplement. Now let's talk smoothies. These are a fun and delicious way to pack in a ton of nutrients. One of my go-tos is a spirulina smoothie. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that's rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Blend it with banana, spinach, and coconut water for a refreshing drink. Another favorite is a chlorella smoothie. Chlorella is great for detoxing and boosting your immune system. Mix it with pineapple, kale, and almond milk for a tropical twist, and of course, the classic acai bowl. Acai berries are loaded with antioxidants. Blend frozen acai puree with mixed berries, banana, and a splash of apple juice. Top it with granola, coconut flakes, and a drizzle of honey. There you have it. Superfoods and supplements to take your health to the next level. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes to your diet that can have a big impact over time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.